cold, you know. Right now it's nice and warm inside. And yeah. So what we did was we connected to our emotions a lot. And don't worry, we're not going to do this for too long, because also I'm tired. Maybe you're tired, maybe you're awake, that's all right. So you can do this, what I'm sharing with you, on your own. You don't need to be led by anybody here. But if you like to join in, feel free to do these 5 minutes together with me. Come to a wonderful sit of your choice. Sit down, feel how your feet are connected to the floor, your legs, your hips. Get along from your hips to your head, feeling the length. And right now I'll invite you to tell the thinking mind for a moment, hey, thank you for your work. And just try to observe instead of think. Just observe what's going on in your body. Observing maybe warmth, maybe coldness, maybe pain, maybe feelings of comfortableness, maybe a feeling of being stuck or being open. And just observe your whole body, slowly coming up from your toes, feet, your heels, your knees, your legs, your hips, your belly, your chest, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, fingers and the fingertips, your neck and your face, your head, your ears, the skin of the face, the nose and the tongue, your eyes, your hair. Listening into how your body feels today, without judging, but just with observing. Hey, Jimmy, appreciate you. Appreciate you, Jamie. So without judging yourself, tuning into what's going on right now in your body. Just feeling, not thinking, but feeling, observing what's going on. Your arms, your whole body, wherever your observation likes to go right now. Let your observation go there. Let yourself be led there by your observation, maybe by some pain, maybe by anything else. And I'll invite you to be just 1 to 2 minutes, a little bit more quiet. Just be, maybe close your eyes, release your arms wherever they feel comfortable, and feel into your body in a wonderful sitting position. And after I will come right back and of course say a lot of more thanks to Jamie. Thank you so much, man. Observe what's going on in your body. Accept it, knowing that you can open to it, that you're here for yourself, that you're listening, knowing that you're allowing it, allowing your emotions to be there for a little bit, letting them pass through you, accepting them and listening. Maybe even learning from them. Whenever you had enough, maybe you like to continue for a little bit to tune into your emotions even more. And please stay for a little bit longer. Otherwise, slowly come out. Slowly come out. Open your eyes. Welcome back. So Jamie, thank you so much for your subscription. I appreciate that so much. Lots of love to you, my friend. How are you doing today? And of course, you have a big hug to give to you. Bring your arms by your side. Stretch your arms out, out, out. Get long from your hips to your head. Spread your fingers, and from there, breathing out and give yourself a big hug. Know that you are worth it. Know that all the emotions that you have are worth it to be felt and recognized and accepted, and then let go of again. Not holding, not clinging your emotions, but accepting them, feeling them, and then letting them go again. For as you know, they will come again, maybe. They will bring you a bigger insight. Give yourself another hug here. Bring your other arm on top. I think I did it. I'm not sure. Bring just your other arm on top. Do it as best as you know. Give yourself another wonderful hug. If you like, smile. You're doing just great. Now that you are here for yourself, and you're taking care of yourself, release your arms down. And welcome back. Welcome back. Moving your shoulders maybe a little bit. So this was a very, very short first time that we're really tuning in, like, very much to your emotions and investigating your emotions. And maybe, you know, one day it's way, way stronger than the other day, and that's all right. And maybe one day it's basically not there, and that's all right. We don't want to force it anywhere, but we want to listen and observe what changes, maybe. Changes through time and repetition, and seeing that change and honoring that change. And sometimes we do suffer, and sometimes it's good to acknowledge that and maybe even go into depression for a little bit and learn from that depression. Learn from that. What does it teach you? And then come out of it again. So yeah, today was very funny. So I really I went into a forest, right, and I streamed there for kind of like more than an hour, right? I was like, okay, this is strange. Nobody ever came into my chat. Nobody said anything. It was like, yeah, maybe something is going wrong here. So it was like, Then I came out and come back and saw like, there's no recording here. So yeah, I need to stream again today. So I guess we're doing the whole thing one more time. But it was good, it was a good experience. I really enjoy going into the forest. So there's nothing bad about the trip that I took into the forest. How are you doing, Jamie? How are you feeling today? Did you enjoy this little practice that we just did? Did you follow along? And yeah. Other than that, take good care of yourself, Jamie. As we're just right now, we're heading out again. We're going to say hi to somebody else. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. And of course, just a little reminder, on Sunday, we're going to have a podcast here about authenticity. In 1 week of time, on Saturday, we're coming back to the Man Circle. So it's going a little bit longer. We are coming back to the Man Circle. And yeah, I'm excited about that. It's going to be amazing. And yeah, I'm also excited about the podcast coming up this Sunday. It's going to be really, really great. I'm happy about it. Finally get together with Jonas Erb. So Jonas Erb is a friend of mine, and I wanted to invite him for the meditation part, to talk about meditation. But he said, yeah, you know what, I don't really like to talk about it. I don't really like to talk about meditation, even though I think he's experienced. He rather liked to talk about something else, that he has cooking, and I can understand that, I can relate to that. So we're talking about embodying authenticity, his little project. He's doing that project also on YouTube. He's a cool dude. He definitely has some very cool insights to share, some cool insights to discuss. Maybe we come up with something wonderful. And of course, you can also ask questions there. So good to have you, Jamie. Good. So yeah, thank you so much for being here today and just saying hi and dropping the love, I hope you received the hug, Jamie. That was for you. If not, you can also watch the VOD, right? With that said, let's head over to somebody else, shall we? Shall we head over to somebody else? Let's see who's online, who we can share a little bit of love to. Maybe, it's so late, maybe Kittens is online. Kittens Keith. Maybe somebody else is online. Yeah, nobody is online. Lady Lunastar is online. Relaxing painting website. Okay, let's head over to Lady Lunastar and tell her hi. Hey, Swissar, hi, how are you doing? Good to see you. Lady Lunastar is online. Maybe you'd like to connect with her today. And I appreciate you coming in, Swissar. How is your day going? So before we're heading out, of course, I want to say hi. And I wanted to share, like, today was in the forest again. I tried to stream. I'm going to tell the story again. I tried to stream with my phone. And then it said, yeah, I'm streaming, my phone said to me, like, I'm streaming, okay. Then I was talking to the phone, like, for more than an hour, and then it came back to my home, and I saw that I wasn't streaming. So yeah, that was a thing. But either way, I enjoyed the time talking to myself in the forest. And yeah, it was good. It was good, and I will take you guys on a trip very, very soon again in the forest, because I think like walking in the forest is so incredible, like healthy. It's just one of the, like, if we had a tier list of like things to do that are healthy, I think walking in a forest would be like at the tip top, at the tip top. Next to that is maybe like socializing, if you're kind of like can do that with like some friends and everything. And maybe next to that there's journaling. But I think really walking in a forest is very much at the tip top of like what you can do for mental health if you're not feeling well at all. And if you of course can walk in the forest, then this is very much like the best thing you can do. Other than that, also just walking without the forest would be also amazing. You're relaxing? That's great, Cesar. So yeah. Good. Let's head over and let's share some love with somebody, shall we? Are you guys ready to share some love with somebody? We're heading over to Lady Luna Star. She's doing art streams. I think she's painting. I never really saw her, but she was recommended to me by Iping Tai Chi. So Lady Luna Star. So let's see what she's up to. Yeah, we can add a little bit in the Discord. Discord now. Yeah, a little bit. We can add a little bit in the Discord. Also, if you like to join, Jamie. Otherwise, wait. Why isn't the you know, it doesn't show me that I'm raiding. Is it raiding, you guys? Do you see like a timer? Because I don't see any. Normally I see it here. Is it raiding? Sometimes it's strange. Maybe I just need to go to do it again. Let me try again. Otherwise, if you're already like going there, then let me try again. You already have a raid in progress. Okay, I guess we're getting over there. So, dear friends, I think the timer is almost up. I wish you a wonderful day. See you very soon. Wonderful night. Sleep well, rest well. Hope to see you soon. The raid wurde abgebrochen. Yeah, that's strange, you know. It's not doing it. Ah. You already have a raid in progress. Yeah, it's annoying, you know. I guess host. Okay, let's try host. Lady Luna Star. Okay, bye bye.